Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So let's see what we will be expecting on Solana for the week. So we have to go to the weekly time frame to understand the full movement. We clearly can see that Solana has been ranging within this level as this bottom a level of 127 is likely our support level, right? Solana has literally been ranging. Now, if you take a look at this here, this is also our resistance level. So markets came to tap our resistance, eventually dropped to our support. Give us that bullish move back to our resistance, dropped to our support. Give us that bullish move to our resistance. You can clearly see that we are on the resistance level. So, right, this week we will be expecting a further drop to the downside. So this is on the weekly time frame. So I would think this is for swing traders. Swing traders, you will be expecting a sell. I mean, take a look at this reversal pattern that has just formed here. Let's touch. Then this is our second touch, which is a double top. So you all know that a double top is now a reversal movement, which market pushed up. So our next movement is that Solana should drop again. So that is our movement for the week. Well, right now, Solana will likely push up to a level of 200 or 205. There's possibility it will push up to a level of 200 or 205. If it pushes up to a level of 200 or 205, within that level, you can now be expecting for another sell on Solana. So anything it does, I'll give you guys the update in the Telegram channel. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.